Tunjum zirna huanga chuan district shanga district education Chetvelna kan clear hodona samagra shiksha district project office ten Zirlai Naupang pui tur program chi shang an man te kan clear hodona ni district zongzong te kan clear man don lawa tunchuma chuan na thial mamit siaha longtlai ser chip le champhai te kan clear dona ni berin na thial district chunga district education Chetvelna kan clearanga na thial district a hianin tuntnaya program chi shang ways to art camp and exhibition te scholastic book fair te national statistics day te vocational education teachers training te PM Poshan AMS reporting in Shadna te children's science congress sensitization program te le Perana utsaf te buatsaih ani Tuntnaya khan samagra shiksha na thial district youth and eco club le Mizoram pollution control board noya environment education program Eco Club te trang kopin na thial district chunga middle school le high school naupangte kar khatsung ways to art camp nei ani a he huna hian mi thiam le tuimi te roi an ni a naupang hote chu thil hlui mandu to lo manga thil chale tangkai siam chho danan zirtira saidoi te le kha te plastic hlui te manga thil moi le mantlak siam chho dan an zirtira ni tin hemikem den sen hian na thial district level ways to art megamart exhibition nei ania school shanga tangin participants chanem tak antela anmani thil siamoi tak an ron pholang ani loman pakhatna tanga pathum na te hna citation le cash prize pack ania ways to art camp and exhibition hi naupangten an hlok puin chenfa kom antilea zong changklak antile tunhnai khan samagra shiksha na thial district buatsaih le khabudor chenkhat lian chungi bookstore aizol baptist book room na thial synod book room na thial te nena tang kopin na thial district huam chunga kholian deuh munlia scholastic book fair nei ania heta hian school no pangte le khomi puinu le patitan le khabucha le tangkai turba ka school textbook te mantlom zok zor chho ania le khabu te le stationery items te za a som discount azor ania khotlang mi pui nu le pa school no pangten an hlok puin book fair hlo tling tak nei ani juni somni pariat sang ni somni pali khan samagra shiksha na thial le DRO economics and statistics department na thial te tang kopin government higher secondary school na thiala national statistics day sang ni somni pali man ania National Statistics Day sang somni pali thupui use of data for decision making ti mangin Zirlai Naupang le Zirtirtute kal khom te hna statistic tangkai ne le mumal taka statistic ne tangkai na te in zirtirna hun nei ani heta hian school zongjong UDICE code nei sangvekin school naupang zongjong permanent address education number an nei vek to ti tarlangin he pen number hi Zirlai te hmasawnna chui zui theina child checking atana man rupoi mo takani ti tarlan ani bawk tunhnai khan samagra shiksha na thial buatsaih government high school resource room na thiala in service training of existing VE teacher and induction training of new VE teacher sangni somni pali nei ani na thial district chunga vocational education school pakwa atangin headmaster pakwa le VE teacher som pathum te hna training pek tharle anni resource person atan pusi chong thandluanga deputy state project director Mizoram le PK Vanal Ruati program officer samagra shiksha Mizoram te man anni na thial district chunga vocational education zirna neih school pakwa an om ani tunhnai khan na thial district education buatsaih PM Poshan AMS reporting chungchang in shesha tharna le school PM Poshan kalpuidan chungchang thil chul in sha tirna hunchu Horeb Lodge conference hall ra langtlang electric veng na thiala nei ania na thial district chunga primary le middle school tin headmaster le midday meal in charge cheute antel ani he hun hi PRL Nunthari joint director school education department le directorate the midday meal how to tenan man puya infui tharna le in zirtirna hun hlutak an mangani July ni sang ni somni pali khan samagra shiksha na thial district buatsaih children's science congress sensitization program sang ni somni pali chu zo farun lungleng veng na thiala nei ania resource person atan Dr. Laldin Puya associate professor MZ manani Children's Science Congress Coordinator na thial district chuan report apea state level science competition na Zirlai ti thate hna loman pek ani sensitization program a hian middle school le high school headmaster te le Zirtirtute antel ani Tunhai kha Ministry of Education, Government of India, New Delhi Rahman angin JNV lungleite nen tangkopin na thial district level prarana utsav sangni somni pali neih ani a heta hian district chhunga high school naupang thlanchhuah ten essay writing drawing competition an nei ani tuna chuan mami district chhunga tunhnaia Chetvelna kan thliranga mamita hian program chi hrang hrang holistic progress card le learning outcomes chungchang training te district level workshop on teacher as first level counselor te Children Science Congress sangni somni pali in buatsaih na sensitization workshop te sikul kai chan Vidyanjali chungchanga training te buatsaih ani July ni sangni somni pali khan samagra shiksha mami district project office beiseiin holistic progress card le learning outcomes chungchanga headmaster le Zirtirtute tan ni o training to diet conference hall mami ta nei ani he training program a hian mami district chunga primary school thlanchhuah somnga headmaster le Zirtirtute antela NEP 2020 in a put angin holistic progress card hi class 2 chi noilam Zirlai tan school an Zirlai exam baka assessment nei puya zawle kim changzo ka Zirlai te thanna le hmasawnna te na tura duana ni resource person a hian mithiam le hetiang lama training nei to te dait lam atangin pathum manani Juni sompariat le sompakwa sangni somni pali khan samagra shiksha mami district project office buatsaih district level workshop on teacher as a first level counselor ni chung o BRC hall mami ta nei ania he workshop hi school naupangte himna tur atana shia tur le mophurna inshil shiat nan manani he workshop a hian mami district chunga primary school atanga higher secondary school Zirtirtute antel chale workshop a hian resource person atan mithiam pu zo sang liana MPS SDPO mamit pilal machwani sailo protection officer NIC Dr. Vanzam pui medical officer pularin chana district organizer DMNR pu Moses Ramdin Thara MCS SDC pu H laro sanga deputy DPC samagra shiksha le pulal chazawa master trainer safe and security 10 hun an mangani Juni sompani khan samagra shiksha mami district project office buatsaih Children Science Congress sangni somni pali in buatsaih nan sensitization workshop BRC hall mamita nei ani he workshop hi mami town area tan nei ani a town area pon lamten online mangin an lo zom ve ngal bokani pulal ding liana DPC samagra shiksha chuan sensitization workshop atel te chu foin Zirlai ten science lamatui na thar an neia hmasawnna nei turin Zirtirtute ten an tui chil apoimo zia soi resource person Dr. Grace Lil ompui sailo stem chuan Children Science Congress nei na turata na poimo le tangkai te PowerPoint presentation mangin asoi fi ani Juni sangni somni pali khan samagra shiksha mami district le sub headquarters YMA mami te tho ho na chakle zwala kal theinan BRC hall mami sikul kai chan Vidyanjali chungchanga training nei ani he training a hian mami town area achangin YMA branch shangshangte antela district chunga YMA branch shangshangten online in an zombok tuna chuan Zirtirtute district school education Chetvelna kan thlir le anga Zirtirtute district a hian holistic progress card chungchang training le PM position monitoring te an nei ani tunhai khan samagra shiksha Zirtirtute district buatsaih holistic progress card chungchanga training buatsaih ania he training hi block pani Zirtirtute le East Lungdar block ate nei ani Zirtirtute block hi diet multipurpose hall a nei ania resource person atan pilarin pui diet lecturer pulal ompuya diet lecturer PNC zo than pui RP BRC puvilal mangai zwala CRCC bungtlang te ani he training hi East Lungdar block hwam chunga mi tan East Lungdar BRC hall a nei ani khatna chuan progress card chungchang zirho le soi ho ani a ani hina chuan learning outcomes zirho ani resource person atan hian K Vanal pe ka RP East Lungdar manani tunhai khan samagra shiksha Zirtirtute district chuan an hwam chunga government school a PM position monitoring an neia Zirtirtute district chunga hian middle school somruk paruk le primary school somsari paruka Zirlai Naupang sangsari zali somni pakwate hnena chachun pek mekani school somriat pasari tatan chauka manrwa pekania lamsam aided government middle school le primary school te hnena semani Zirtirtute district chunga PM position school a hian cook cum helpers zani somsari roi me kan ni tin other enrollment kalpui me ka other enrolled zat hi sangruk zariat somli pathum ania Zirlai Naupang zongjong enroll turin malak chho me kani PM position monitoring hi July thleng hian khosom pathuma elementary school a neih ani to ani tuna chuan Longtlai district chunga tunhnaya Chetvelna kan thlir ve leanga Longtlai district a hian children science congress sangni somni paliatan sensitization workshop on teacher as a first level counselor te holistic progress card training te nei ani tunhnaya khan samagra shiksha Longtlai district le science teachers association Mizoram stem te tangko buatsaih Longtlai district level science congress sangni somni paliatan sensitization workshop BRC hall LADC complex a buatsaih ani hehuna hian resource person atan Dr. Leldin Puya associate professor Center for Disaster Management Mizoram University chuman ania kumsangni somni pali children science congress thupui understanding ecosystem for health and well-being ti mangin zirtirna pekani sensitization program a hian Longtlai district chunga middle school high school higher secondary school somni pathuma tagin guide teacher te ankal khoma sub theme be chana project title thlandan te project kalpui dan tur step shang te presentation ti dan tur te project kalpui laya shatur poimo le thil poimo shang zir hawani tunhnai khan samagra shiksha Longtlai district buatsaih district level workshop on teacher as a first level counselor buatsaih ania school naupangte himna atan thil poimo chi shang an zir hawani mithiamten zirtirna an pe a naupangte himna chungchanga in zirtirna hi Longtlai district chunga government school zongjong atangin zirtirtu pakhat theu nena pe kani nihni chung o workshop a hian zirtirtu za somsari pakwan kala block wise in workshop hi buatsaih ani July nili le ninga khan samagra shiksha Longtlai district te buatsaih holistic progress card training nei ania school somnga atangin headmaster le zirtirtu sari pali ankal khomani resource person atan Dr. Lalruat Moi lecturer died Longtlai le George Lal Ompuya BRCC bungtlang te man ania school exam baka Zirlai Naupang te din mun te chhuah dan tur an zirtirani tuna chuan Siaha district chunga tunhnaya education Chetvelna kan thlir le anga tunhnai khan Siaha district a hian holistic progress card le learning outcomes chungchang training te children science congress sangni somni pali sensitization workshop te workshop on teacher as a first level counselor te buatsaih ani July ni som pakhat sangni somni pali khan samagra shiksha Siaha district project office buatsaih holistic progress card and learning outcomes chungchanga headmaster le zirtirtute tan ni chung o training chu DRDO conference hall Siaha nei ania Siaha district chunga primary school chhuah somnga atangin headmaster le zirtirtu za ankal theia resource person atan pusi lai tha died lecturer le pujesi dal thansanga BRCC Siaha block puviti beinesa resource person te man ani holistic progress card hi class 2 chin hnuailam zirlai te skula an zirlai exam baka assessment nei puya zawle kimchangzo ka zirlai te thanna le hmasawnna dan te na tur duan ani Juni somni pakhat sangni somni pali khan samagra shiksha Siaha district project office buatsaih golden jubilee hall MADC a district level somthum pani na children science congress sangni somni pali nei tur pualin sensitization workshop buatsaih ni a heta hian Siaha district chunga middle school somle high school somni atangin school IO te an telani workshop a hian additional DPC ti chatlo an thu soin Zirlai te thiamna hai chhuah pui thei turin Zirtirtute an tui pui angai ani atia subject na Zirlai ten hlotlinna an neih theihna an theihtawp chhuah turin Zirtirtute chu afui ani workshop a hian resource person Dr. Leldin Puya associate professor Center for Disaster Management MZIwin Zirtirna apezui ngalani June ni thum le nili khan samagra shiksha Siaha district project office buatsaih district level workshop on teacher as a first level counselor nihni o chu sangni somni pali DRDO conference hall Siaha nei ani he workshop hi school naupangte himna turata na Zirtirtute mo phurna le rik room thila naupangte enkol dan le tranpui ngai te tranpui konga bitin mo phurna in Zirtirna manania he workshop a hian Siaha district chunga primary school atanga higher secondary school Zirtirtu antel thale Workshop a hian resource person atan mithiam pu Isaac Lalmuan puya coordinator child helpline unit pu VL Zui thanga district organizer DMNR P Mitchell Zothan Pari assistant professor Siaha College P Merlin MS Beho psychiatric nurse Pulan Munsanga ASI 10 hunan mangani tuna chuan Champhai district chunga tunhnaya Chetvelna kan thlir vele thonganga Champhai district a hian holistic progress card training te vocational education teacher training te le children science congress sangni somni pali sensitization workshop te buatsaih ani July ni quarter ni som sangni somni pali chung khan Champhai district primary school somnga thlanchhuah te tan holistic progress card chungchang zirhau na buatsaih ani a School Zirlai exam pia lama Zirlai te din munte chhuah na tur he training a hian state project officer master trainer tenan Zirtirtute training hi block wise sakal puyani tunhnai khan samagra shiksha Champhai district buatsahin vocational education teacher training chu education training hall Champhaya neih ania Champhai district chunga vocational education center neih na school som pathuma tangin headmaster le VE teacher te ankal khoma VE chazok le phuisui zoka kalpui ani theih dan tur te soi ho ani a government GM high school a field visit nei ani bawk Juni somni pakhat sangni somni pali khan samagra shiksha Champhai district project office buatsahin children science congress sangni somni pali in buatsaihna atan sensitization workshop to education training hall Champhaya nei ani a Champhai district chunga high school le headmaster te le science teacher he sensitization program a hian antela resource person atan pu JLL biakima scientific officer mystic directorate of science and technology chu manani a he sensitization program a hian miza pasari antelani ole khati zongkha tunchuma district education Chetvelna kan thlir hau thei chu ani
Vina skula nin leilo turania chuan Zirtirtute thusoi uluk te ngai thadonia